Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jacob, and today we have a calm, easy story for you to listen to. In this video, you'll hear a simple conversation between two friends who are making breakfast together in the kitchen, early in the morning. Please listen carefully and just relax and enjoy the story. Don't worry if your English isn't perfect yet. I've kept everything slow and clear, so it's easy to follow along, even if you're still learning. Before the story begins, I want to give you a small listening challenge. Please listen closely because the answer is hidden somewhere inside the conversation. Here's today's question. Which kitchen appliance do they use to make the toast? The answer is somewhere in the story. If you find it, write it in the comments, in English if you can. This kind of small challenge really helps sharpen your listening skills over time. All right, are you ready? Let's begin. Good morning, Sophie. Good morning, Liam. You're up early. I know. I couldn't sleep any later. Something smells really good already. That's the coffee. I just made a fresh pot. Wonderful. I could really use a cup right now. Sit down. I'll pour you one. Here you go. Thank you so much. This smells amazing. I got some new coffee beans yesterday. Actually, a darker roast than usual. Oh, I can really taste the difference. It's quite strong. Is it too strong for you? I can add a little more milk? No, it's perfect, actually. I like it like this. Good. I was a little worried it might be too much this early. Not at all. Not at all. This is exactly what I needed to wake up properly. So what do you feel like eating this morning? Maybe some toast and eggs? That sounds simple and good. Perfect. I have everything we need. Let's start with the bread. Where do you keep the bread? It's in this bread bin on the counter. Oh, I see it now. This bread looks fresh. I bought it yesterday from the bakery down the street. That explains it. Bakery bread always tastes better. I completely agree. Now let's put 2 slices in the toaster. The toaster, is that this silver machine here? Yes, exactly. You just drop the bread in like this. And then we push this lever down. That's right. It will pop back up when the toast is ready. I love that sound when it pops up. Me too. It always makes me a little hungrier. While that's toasting, should we start on the eggs? Yes. Can you hand me a pan from that cupboard? Sure. Here's a nice small frying pan. Perfect. That's exactly what we need. Do you want scrambled eggs or fried? I think scrambled today. They're a bit softer in the morning. Good choice. Let's crack a couple of eggs into this bowl. I'll do the cracking. I actually enjoy this part. Go ahead. Just be careful of the shells. Got it. There we go. 2 eggs in the bowl. Now we whisk them a little. Just like this. With this fork? Yes, a fork works perfectly fine for scrambled eggs. Okay, I'm whisking now. Look, it's getting nice and smooth. That's exactly right. Now we pour it into the pan. Should the pan be hot already? Yes. I turned the stove on a moment ago. It should be ready now. Okay, pouring it in now. Listen to that sizzle. That sound means the pan is at a good temperature. It smells wonderful already. Cooking always smells better than we expect, doesn't it? Definitely. Should I stir it now? Yes, gently with this wooden spoon. Keep the eggs moving so they don't stick. Like this? Perfect. Slow and gentle. That's exactly right. The eggs are turning a lovely yellow color now. That means they're almost done. Just a little longer. Should I put the kettle on as well, in case we want some tea after? Good idea. The kettle is just there, on the counter. I see it. I'll fill it up at the sink first. There's a tap right above the sink. You can use that. Got it. Filling it now. It's surprisingly heavy when it's full. Just place it back on its stand and switch it on. Done. I can already hear it starting to heat up. It won't take long. That kettle boils quite quickly. Perfect, we'll have tea ready right after breakfast then. Oh, listen, I think the toast just popped up, right on time. Can you grab 2 plates from that shelf? Sure, here are 2 plates. Let's put 1 slice of toast on each plate. Done. The toast looks perfectly golden. It really does. Now, let's add the eggs on top. I'll spoon them out carefully. That looks delicious already. I think it's ready. Should we sit down and eat? Yes. Let's. But first, could you pass the butter for the toast? Of course. It's right here in this little dish. Thank you. And do we have any salt for the eggs? The salt is in that small jar next to the stove. Got it. Perfect. Now we have everything. This looks like a proper little breakfast now. It really does. Should we eat at the table? Yes. Let's sit down properly and enjoy it. All right. I'm bringing the plates over now. Wonderful. This smells even better up close. Let's eat while it's still warm. Agreed. This looks absolutely delicious, Liam. Thank you. I'm quite proud of this one, actually. You should be. The eggs are perfectly soft, and the toast has just the right amount of crunch. This might be one of the best breakfasts we've made together. I think you might be right. Let's enjoy it slowly. Definitely. No rushing this morning. That's exactly the plan. Cheers to a calm morning. Cheers, Liam. Thank you for making this with me. Anytime, Sophie. This was really nice. We should do this again tomorrow morning. I would love that. Same time, same kitchen. It's a deal then. It's a deal. That was wonderful. But now look at the kitchen a little. Oh dear, it's gotten a bit messy already. Cooking always makes a bit of a mess, doesn't it? It really does. Should we clean up together? Yes, let's. I'll wash the dishes if you dry them. That sounds fair. Where do you keep the dish soap? It's right here, next to the sink. Got it. I'll squeeze a little onto this sponge. Perfect. The pan might need a good scrub. It's a little sticky. No problem. I'll take care of it. Thank you. I'll start with the plates first. Sure, hand them over when you're ready. Here's the first plate. Careful, it's still a little warm. Got it. I'll dry it with this towel. This towel is nice and soft. I just washed it yesterday, actually. That explains it. It smells really fresh. Here's the second plate, and the forks too. Thank you. Almost done on my side. The pan is nearly clean now as well. Wonderful. Where should I put these dry plates? You can stack them in that cupboard right above the counter. Got it. I'll put them away now. Perfect. And the forks go in that drawer next to the knives. Understood. Everything is put away now. The kitchen already looks so much better. It really does. A clean kitchen makes the whole morning feel calmer. I completely agree with that. Should we wipe down the table too? Good idea. I'll grab this cloth. I'll get the crumbs off the counter as well. Perfect teamwork as always. We really do make a good team in the kitchen. We definitely do. Thank you again for cooking with me today. Anytime, Sophie. Mornings like this are my favorite. Mine too. Let's remember to do this again soon. We will. Same time, same kitchen, just like we said. It's a deal. It's a deal. That's the end of today's story. I really hope this conversation helped your English listening. Let me repeat today's question one more time. Which kitchen appliance did they use to make the toast? Did you catch the answer while you were listening? If you did, write it in the comments in English. It's a great little way to practice writing along with your listening. Along the way, we also heard some other useful kitchen words worth remembering. The bread bin, the frying pan, the wooden spoon, the kettle, and the dish soap. Try using one of these words in your own sentence today, even just a short one. Little practice moments like that really do add up over time. On this channel, we share calm, easy stories just like this one, with slow, natural conversations designed to help your English improve without any stress or pressure. I'll keep uploading more videos like this one regularly, so if you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe, give the video a like, and leave a comment letting me know how you did with the question. Thank you so much for spending your morning with me today. I hope to see you again in the next video. Goodbye for now.